Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how to install Teflon tape or plumber's tape. Generally looks like this, it's kind of small. And you use this tape to put on the pipe before you install a new shower head or a filter or anything that's going to go on your shower pipe. So to do that, I'm going to step into the shower. Now, you have your pipe here, and if you have any old plumber's tape on there from before installing the new one, you should get rid of anything old. See, I have a little bit of stuff here that I gotta remove. So once that's clean, you're gonna wanna take the plumber's tape, which is right here, and you're gonna wanna wrap it 4 to 5 times around the threading of the pipe. So you're gonna put it on, and you're going to wrap it around once, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Once you're done there, I'm going to cut that off right here. You can probably rip that off. You don't even need a scissor. And that's how you install the Teflon tape. Once you're done with that, you can go ahead and finish installing whatever else you had, whether it was a shower head. In my case, I have a shower filter that's attached to a shower head. I'm going to go ahead and screw that back on. Now the Teflon tape helps prevent any leaks, anything, helps keep the shower head or the filter secure. And now that that's tight on there, that's good. And the shower filter is good to go. Now we're going to turn it on to make sure that there are no leaks. Now, if there are no more leaks and everything runs smoothly, you've successfully installed the Teflon tape. I hope you guys liked this video on how to install Teflon tape or plumber's tape. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Now in this video, I've been using a Natural Rapids shower filter. I highly recommend one. If you guys want to purchase one, go down into the description, click the link, and apply that 15% off discount code at Amazon.com when you check out. Thanks again for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.